everyone, welcome to Stack Edu Software. So for today, I'm going to be taking you through Audit Trail. Audit Trail in the sense that it monitors the amount of people that have logged into the portal, monitors the phone that are logged in, like it just shows in the details of the people that have logged into the portal. So to go to Audit Trail, you click on Page Settings, then you see Audit Trail, you click on that. You can see this is my user, this is me, this stack admin, this is the device, this is the browser, I'm using Chrome. So basically what this Audit Trail does is that it brings out a list of devices and individuals that have logged into the data, that is into the portal. You can see everything from the beginning to the end. So that is all for Audit Trail. If there is any question you have, kindly drop it on the comment section. I hope to see you guys next time for more. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.